Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make Game Pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to open on browser on your device and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to the homepage of Roblox, and you just need, if you want to create your own Game Pass, you just click on this create tab and just click on this creation in the menu. It will take you to the experiences. Here you have to click on your own experience here, and once you're here guys, you just need to click on this under the monetization. You will find this passes option. Just click on it in the menu. You will get this passes under the monetization, and you can create your own game pass here. So you just need to click on this create a pass button to create your own game pass, and here you have to enter the name of the game pass, description, and just click on this create a pass button. Once you create your own game pass, just click on new game pass and just click on menu and get this option sale in the menu, and just enable it for the sale. Just click on this item for sale at toggle button and enter the cost here you want, and just click on save changes, and your item will be, or your game pass will be set up for the sale. Now you can open Roblox please donate game and set up your item there. Now guys, once you're in the game, and so first of all, to add your game pass in the please donate, you have to look for any empty stand. You can see that this game or this stand is unclaimed, so you can claim this stand. Just hold this E button over here and your game pass will be listed here, and you can change your theme as well if you want. Just click on this pencil icon over here, click on edit next to the booth, and you can choose the booth theme from here. I have lots of theme already, and as you can see it looks amazing. So now you can have to interact with the people to get Robux for free. Ask them to donate you on your stand, and they will purchase game pass from your stand, and you will get 70% out of the price of game pass. So that's how you can uh, create your own game pass and add it to the please donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.